Janet. Try it like it created. And if you watch any of my videos, you know that I use a craft mat as my base all the time. It's always right here on my desktop, and I craft on top of it. And over time, it collects. I don't know if I know you can see some of this, but it has got a buildup of paint and glue and resin and all kinds of things on the top surface. Now, the printed image is underneath the top layer of glass. And so I am going to quickly take a scraper tool and just go over the top surface. And can you see just with one swipe how I have picked up a variety of things that are on my glass mat? And so just going over this, I mean, you can hear it picking up little pieces of glue and so forth. I am not hurting the glass whatsoever. All right. It is going to be nice and clean and spot free, except for a few little areas right in here. I don't know if you can even see them. I had used a ceramic cutter on the top of my glass mat, which is not something you want to do. It will mar your glass. So I did it once and felt it scratch the glass, and I have never done it again on top of my glass. And so all I need to do is clean up this glue residue here, and I'll just show you. Here's my dust pieces, and now my glass is nice and clean and ready to use for another craft. So if you find that your glass mat is collecting little dust pieces or getting dirty as you use it, and I use mine for ink smushing and blending paints and all kinds of things, and it's really easy to pick that stuff up just by scraping over the surface. And with the Glassboard, I'm not hurting the top surface whatsoever. So I'm really happy with the results that I'm getting here, just scraping along the top and getting rid of stuff that, you know, I didn't even see some of this happening here. And I am going to be ready to start crafting again.